Namaste, dear students, and welcome in RSV Higher Secondary School online classes of science for class 7th. I am Anju Tiwari, your science teacher, is with you to discuss chapter 7th, Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals. The aim of this chapter is to study about weather, climate and adaptation of animals in tropical rainforest and polar regions. Now, what is weather? Weather is the state of the atmosphere at a particular time and place. There are some well-defined terms or elements. Now, the components or elements of weather. These are temperature, humidity, cloudiness, precipitation, and wind. Now, what is temperature? Temperature is an indicator of the degree of hotness or coldness of the air. Temperature on the earth averages 15 degrees Celsius at sea level but varies according to latitude, elevation, season, and time of day. Temperature is generally highest in the tropics and lowest near the poles. On any given day, it is usually warmest during mid-afternoon and coldest around dawn. Now, humidity. Humidity, it is the amount of water vapor present in the air. At some places, it is high, while at some places, it is low. Now we will talk about cloudiness. Most clouds are produced due to cooling of air as it rises up. When air temperature gets reduced, the excess water vapor in the air condenses into liquid droplets or ice crystals to form clouds or fog. Fog refers to the clouds that almost touch the ground. In dense fog, the visibility range may be around 50 meters or so. Now, precipitation. Precipitation is produced when droplets and crystals in clouds grow large enough to fall on to the ground. Precipitation takes a variety of forms including rain, drizzle, snow, hail, ice pellets or sleet. Now we will talk about wind. The horizontal movement of air is referred to as the wind. In most places near the ground, the wind speed usually averages from 8 km per hour to 24 km per hour. However, it can be very much higher during intense storms. Now we will discuss about climate. What is climate? Climate is the average weather in a particular region over a long period of time. Climate and adaptations of animals. Climate has a profound effect on all living organisms. Adaptation can be defined as the modification of all living organisms on its parts in order to make it more fit for survival under changed environment conditions, or we can say that the adjustment shown in structure, physiology, behavior, etc. of an organism to changed environmental conditions is referred to as adaptation. Animals living in very cold climate and very hot climate should have special features to protect them from heat and cold. Now in other adjoining video we will talk about adaptation. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.